Hey guys, Sean Murphy here, and I want to welcome you to my newest listing, 108 Manzanetta Avenue here in Weymouth. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, recently updated raised ranch. Let's take a look around. Now this is the definition of curb appeal. Check it out, guys. And then right as you come upstairs from that front door right there, you'll notice the open concept living room, dining room, kitchen area. A lot of updates have been done inside with this kitchen, living, and dining area. Fully functional fireplace that you can't see right now in the living room. Here is the master bedroom. Big deck off the master bedroom with those sliding doors. But as we come back down the hallway, this is the full bath on the first floor. And it's right next to the 2 bedrooms, one being used as a guest room right now / office, the other one as a full guest room right now. But very good sized bedrooms, lots of sunlight. I don't have any of the lights on right now in this house. But then as we go downstairs to the lower level of this raised ranch, you got a half bath down here. Notice the pup over the toilet. What up, pup? And then we got this room over here that could be another guest room, could be an office. They're using it as an exercise room / office. But then this is the main room downstairs. Great little living space, great entertainment room, plenty of space for seating, fully functional fireplace. And then we got this back deck, guys, that overlooks this expansive backyard. Now let's go down and check out this backyard. Very accessible from that dining kitchen area with this back deck and the staircase. Great little shed right there. We did not go inside, but great shed. And then one last view of this yard plus this house. Any information that you want to know, guys, shoot me a message.